Yeah, man, I just go back to my concept about Planet Chambo, in which I envision a world full of rivers, of fresh water. And man, we need fresh water, but we need land. We need to be able to meditate. Life is busy, man. Life is real busy. Man, I'm grinding, making money. I'm with my family, trying to take care of them, you know, and sometimes you kind of need a space to just decompress, and this is a space to decompress. But even more importantly, these are our natural resources that we got to protect. This is a natural entity. Look how beautiful this thing is. Hey man, this thing is more beautiful. If you look at that tree, it's more beautiful than anything, bro. It's more beautiful than these big buildings in Chicago. That was naturally made, man. We got to protect that. We got to protect that. And recording sounds is a good way to do that.